This bog used to be an open lake, and when Mzungu came here and saw an open lake, he called it Old Lake. Our people here couldn't say Old Lakes, that's why it is called Ondire. It is the second deepest wetland after the one in Douala, Cameroon. My name is David Wakoge. I'm the coordinator, Friends of Ondire Wetland, the organization that works towards the conservation of this wetland. And we are very happy that Adrian team came here today to do this noble work, because this is a journey we began in 2016, because we realized that Ondire Wetland was going. This wetland is the biggest water tower in Kikuyu constituency. This wetland also is the source of Nairobi River. And when we are discussing about climate change, wetlands consume 30% of the world atmospheric carbon, because trees, one, are very good filters of air. In 1963, we had 10% forest cover. Today we have 3%. And our aim is to at least get to 10%. What Adrian team is doing is very, very important in climate change mitigation and global warming. By planting these trees, that means a lot, not only to this community, but also to the world. Tree planting is what every citizen can do to mitigate the climate change.